Welcome back to the proof series. Today we will be proving the even and odd identities. There won't be a lot of algebra on this one, but we will be utilizing the unit circle and its symmetry to understand these identities. These are the given even and odd identities. Sine, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent are odd identities. Odd refers to the function acting on a negative argument being equal to the negative of the function. So f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Cosine of sec and secant are even identities. Even refers to the function acting on a negative argument being equal to the function. So f of negative x is equal to f of x. To illustrate this, let's start with sine. If we start with the statement of sine of negative t and graph the angle negative t, we get the point x comma negative y. Also, if we look at the statement of sine of t and graph the angle t, we get the point x comma y. We can state these points because t and negative t would be the same distance from the x-axis. But sine of negative t equals negative y and sine of t equals y, so to make the statement true, sine of t would have to be multiplied by negative 1, which is how they get this odd identity. Cosecant follows suit, as it's the reciprocal of sine. Next, let's look at cosine of negative t and cosine of t in a similar way. By graphing both angles, we get the same points, but we are talking about cosine, so we will need to look at the x values, which in this case are the same. Therefore, cosine of negative t is equal to cosine of t, with secant following suit as it's the reciprocal of cosine. And finally, let's look at tangent in the same way. By graphing both angles, we get the same points, but for tangent, we will need to look at both values. For this, tangent of negative t is equal to negative y divided by x, and tangent of t is equal to y divided by x. So to make this statement true, tangent of t would have to be multiplied by negative 1, which is how we would get this odd identity as well. Cotangent follows suit as it's the reciprocal of tangent. Hopefully you found this video was to be helpful. Thanks for watching.